Hey guys, hey people, welcome back to another video. Today's video I want to share my honest review with you guys concerning these two particular skincare products. I just want to share my honest review with you guys. So if this is something you are interested in, do well to watch the video to the end to know the details about all these products, if you are going to be getting it or not. And if you are just seeing my face for the very first time, hello, my name is Love Kela. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as you do so, may God bless you. I will start with this product. This is the Skin Doctor Sunscreen whitening sun protection face cream. It's not greasy, quickly absorbing formula for all skin type. It contains SPF 60. I don't know if you guys can see it, SPF 60. So I'm just going to tell you guys my honest review about this product. Okay, so first thing first is that this product is a very lightweight sunscreen. It absorbs quickly to the skin. If you have dark skin, you can as well use this product because it's going to absorb quickly into your skin, and it's not going to leave any kind of white cast on your skin. Whether you are dark skin, whether you are light skin, you can use this particular sunscreen because it's just going to blend into your skin perfectly, and it's not going to leave any kind of white cast on your skin. Okay, so that is the main reason why I like this product. And they said it's for all skin type, but honestly I will not recommend this particular product for oily skin. I will not recommend this particular product for oily skin. If you are dry skin, if you are if you have normal skin and dry skin, you can use this product. But if you have combination skin, I will not recommend this product for combination skin and oily skin type, because I have used this product and I'm just giving you guys my honest review about this particular product. This product they said is a non-greasy product, but if you apply this particular sunscreen on your face and you are oily skin, it's going to make your skin very greasy, and when you go out, you are just going to be sweating a lot. You might not even like your face when you see your face outside. So I will not recommend this particular sunscreen for people with oily skin. See, I have been using this sunscreen for a while now, and I noticed that whenever I use this sunscreen, I break out. Like I have pimples on my face, and I was like wondering, because I've been doing all my skincare routine, and I was like wondering what is causing this particular breakout all the time. I break out. I am acne prone skin nevertheless, but I don't understand why I was like constantly breaking out after doing all my skincare routine. So I realized that it is this particular sunscreen that is making me break out, because after I apply this sunscreen, my face is always greasily, like my face is always shiny and oily. So I noticed that this is what is causing me to break out, and I decided to stop for a while. Let me see if there's going to be any changes if I stop using this product. And I stopped for like a month. I stopped using this product for like a month, and I noticed that this was the reason why I was breaking out all the time. So I just noticed that they said over here, like what they wrote here, that it is not greasy, but guys, this is greasy. This is going to make your skin greasy. If you apply it on your skin and you are oily skin type, it is going to make your skin greasy. So before you go ahead and buy this product, if you are oily skin, please don't go for this particular sunscreen. There are other kind of sunscreen specifically for oily skin type. And if you want me to make a video concerning sunscreen that you can use for different skin type, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be making a video concerning that. So this particular product, it is not good for oily skin. Okay, and I got this product for 4,500 naira. So in case you want to get this product, if you are dry skin, if you are normal skin, you can get this product and be rest assured that it's not going to give you white cast. It's not going to leave white cast on your body. It's going to blend very well on your skin, and you are going to be rest assured that your skin is going to be protected for a very long time, because this contains SPF 60 and it is very effective. It's just that when it comes to lightweight, it's not that lightweight for oily skin, and is not a not greasy product for oily skin. It's going to make your skin feel very greasy if you are using it and if you are oily skin. All right guys, so that is it for this particular sunscreen. The next on my list is this product. This is the Garnier Skin Active Vitamin C Brightening Serum Cream. It contains SPF 25. This product, the reason why I got this product is because I noticed that it's a 2-in-1 product. It's a serum and also is a cream, and it contains vitamin C. And you guys know that when it comes to vitamin C, I love vitamin C. Like, I love using vitamin C in most of my skincare routine. I always use vitamin C. So my serum got finished, so I was like, okay, let me go for something and let me try something new. So that's why I got this product, and I got this product for 23,800 naira. Okay, so this particular product, it's very active. Okay, it's very active. It's going to help brighten up your skin. It's a non greasy formula, and it's going to moisturize your skin. It's going to brighten up your skin and give you that beautiful glowing skin. And if you have dark spots caused by acne, it's just going to eliminate any kind of dark spots, any kind of acne scar on your skin, and give you a very youthful glowing skin. So this is what this product is going to do for you, and it is a lightweight moisturizer, face cream / sunscreen, because it contains SPF 25. So it's also going to protect your skin, and it's kind of like a serum mixed with a sunscreen, mixed with a cream. So basically, if you are dry skin and normal skin, you can use this particular product. But if you are oily skin, you cannot use this product, because this product is going to make your skin very greasy. This product is kind of like, because the product is containing it's mixed with serum and cream. And when it comes to cream is not something that is lightweight. Cream is heavy. Okay, cream is heavy because it's containing oils and all of that. So it's going to make your skin really greasy. If you have oily skin, it's going to make your skin feel very greasy. Okay, so I will not recommend this particular product for oily skin type. If you have dry skin and combination skin or normal skin, you can use this product. But if you have oily skin, I will not recommend this particular product for you. So you're not going to waste your money buying this product, because it's going to make your skin feel very greasy, and that can result to making your pores clog, and it can also cause you acne. Because I started using this product and I noticed that I was breaking out. I was like, what is going on? Let me see. I'm trying out new skincare products every time. Whenever I go to where they are selling cosmetics, and I try to shop for my skincare product, I try as much to get 1 or 2 new products just to give it a try. Let me see if it's going to be very nice on my skin. So that's why I got this product, and I noticed that just after 3 days of using this product, I started having breakouts on my skin. So I noticed that this is what is causing the breakout, so I have to stop. And I noticed that this makes my skin feel really greasy. So yeah, this is why I'm saying this. If you are oily skin, do not bother getting this product, because it's going to leave your skin very greasy, and it's going to cause you to have breakouts. So I don't want you to go and waste your money getting what you might end up not using. Okay, so yes, we have come to the end of the video, and if you enjoy watching this video, please do it to subscribe and also like this video, and drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think concerning these 2 products, and I will see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.